In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw trend lines on TradingView, an essential skill for anyone interested in technical analysis. TradingView is a powerful platform widely used for tracking and analyzing market trends across various financial instruments. Understanding how to effectively draw and use trend lines can provide invaluable insights into market movements. So let's get right into it. First, you'll need to start by visiting the TradingView website. Once you're there, make sure that you're logged in to have access to all the features we'll be using. Now let's dive into our process. Start by clicking on the search bar, which is usually located at the top of the page. From here, you're going to want to search for market cap BTC, which will help us zero in on Bitcoin's market cap. This will serve as our example, but you can apply these steps to any market of your choice. Once that's loaded, you should see various options for charts and data. Click on the highlight option, which is typically a feature that allows you to mark certain important points on the chart. Then change the time frame by selecting 4H. This shorter time frame helps in identifying the trend more clearly, giving you a more detailed view of market fluctuations. After setting the time frame, your next move is to select the path tool, which you can usually find on the left-hand panel of the TradingView interface. This tool facilitates the drawing of lines directly on the chart. Here's a small tip. Try to ensure you've chosen significant highs and lows to draw your trend lines, as these points indicate key levels of support and resistance in the market. Once you've drawn your trend line, you should make necessary adjustments to refine it. TradingView allows you to easily click and drag the trend line to ensure it fits perfectly on your chosen points. Use the highlight option on TradingView at various junctures along the trend line to signal those points where the price action meets the line. This will help in keeping track of potential breakouts or reversals. Continue to explore the highlight feature at different parts of the chart to better visualize other critical areas. Over time, you will begin to notice the power of aligning these highlights against your trend lines, providing you with vital clues about possible future price movements. While using multiple highlights during your analysis, remember each serves a purpose and can refine your understanding of the prevailing market sentiment. With practice, the process of drawing trend lines will become a vital part of your trading strategy, allowing you to predict market behavior more confidently. Keep practicing and adapting your techniques as you grow more familiar with TradingView's robust tools and features.